Before pouring in the flotation foam, I'll measure, cut, and dry fit my floor. To do that, I'll start with a string down the center line. I'm going to take a width measurement every 16 inches. So if you take your tape measure, pull along the length, and take a marker and put a dot every 16 inches, that'll make it easier for you to measure. We'll measure from the string to the side, on each side, left and right, and then we'll measure front to back in 3 places. One along the center, and one on the left and right. Don't measure along the side of the boat. Instead, measure from where the front bulkhead and the side of the boat meets at the floor level, back to the transom where that spot would be straight back. I'm going to transfer the measurements onto the plywood for the floor. Started by making a center line, then measuring from one end and making a mark every 16 inches for where my measurements will line up. I'll measure left and right off the center line once again and make a mark. We'll connect those dots to cut out the profile. Small nails and a batten to make a guide for tracing a curve to connect my points. Batten is anything that's thin and is flexible without breaking. The nails are just small finish nails. Drive them in at the point that you mark. Lay the batten up and trace along the line.